The crypto market has dipped, which means it's a perfect time to get your hands on some currencies whose prices are going to skyrocket in the future. But the problem is that there are over 20,000 currencies out there, and finding the right one is not an easy task. However, if you manage to put your money in a good currency, then you can rely on that your money will grow exponentially. Hello and welcome to our channel. Cryptocurrencies are increasingly being considered a great investment vehicle as the opportunity to make a profit is just plain amazing. After all, thousands of people all over the world have become millionaires by putting their money into crypto. But the secret recipe to success is putting your money in the right currency. In this video, we're going to tell you how you can select the perfect currency. We'll discuss all the indicators of a good currency, and we'll tell you about everything you need to look at to make the right decision. Finally, we'll tell you about how credibility is important to the entire investment procedure. So, let's get started. The community. Keep an eye out for cryptocurrencies that have established communities and committed followers, since this is indicative of people's sincere interest and belief in the coin. Take a look at the comment section of various subreddits and YouTube channels to get a sense of what the communities think about the investments you're considering making. Understanding the hype surrounding an altcoin and whether or not to invest might be difficult if you are unfamiliar with the coins. Visiting forums and checking out the community on Reddit are wonderful places to start. Some of the most complex and technical ideas are often simplified and presented in those communities on Reddit. The larger cryptocurrency groups tend to have more active Reddit communities, but smaller communities are still kind and willing to help out when asked. If you're having trouble grasping the mechanics of the procedure, the technology, etc., then their community is a fantastic resource. However, you shouldn't invest in a currency or token based on hype alone. Instead, you should familiarize yourself with all the above characteristics before placing too much stock in the community. Fundamental analysis. Before delving into the technical aspects that influence a cryptocurrency's market value, long-term investors should have a firm grasp on the basics of the industry. Please pay more attention to the project itself, the problem it is attempting to solve, and the sources from which it is deriving its value. Knowing the ins and outs of fundamental analysis enables you to make more informed choices about your investments. And in the market where the majority of people are chasing after altcoins of questionable quality, fundamental research can help you sort the wheat from the chaff. Before we continue telling you how to find the right cryptocurrency for investment, make sure to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive instant notifications whenever we come out with a new informative video. We can tell you what we believe are suitable ways to look for a good crypto investment. However, we are not financial advisors, so do your homework before putting your money into any business. If this is done correctly and you put in the proper effort and time, then you could very well become extremely wealthy in a matter of months. With that out of the way, let us get back to telling you how you can choose the right cryptocurrency for investment. The team, organization. One of the most important factors in a project's success or failure is the quality of the team working on it. Warning signs include limited or no information on the team. Bitcoin is the exception. Consider the team's track record and any previous projects they've managed in the crypto market. Some questions to ask include whether this is the team's first crypto project or if they have a track record of success. Also, have a peek at the project's upper management. Collaboration or joint ventures with well-known companies or eminent CEOs are further indicators of success. White paper and roadmap. If you're an investor, the white paper and roadmap for a project are crucial for gauging a coin or token's potential growth and success. If you're looking for a reliable crypto project, make sure it has a good white paper and a clear roadmap. A white paper is a document published by a cryptocurrency project that provides technical details about the concept to help you decide whether it has merit, while a roadmap helps set expectations for how a cryptocurrency project intends to develop and expand in light of its anticipated success and widespread adoption. A road plan should include a high-level chronology that describes the steps taken to complete the project. The project's potential success and worth can be called into doubt if a white paper and roadmap aren't available. Technology. The technology behind a cryptocurrency is crucial to its success. To fully appreciate the technology, you must know how it will fare in comparison to similar offerings and what sets it apart from the competition. Keep an eye out for the game-changing startups, like the cryptocurrency projects that will shake up the sector. Take Ethereum as an example. It is one of the best cryptocurrencies out there because it has smart contracts, which means that it facilitates the exchange of anything of value, and the tech is designed to make it easy for developers to integrate the blockchain with their own applications. Finally, it has EVM, which makes it easy for developers to create their own applications. If you want to learn more about what to do in a bear market, please check out our video in the top right corner. I'll also leave a link in the description below. Their vision. Coin purpose matters a lot. You should be concerned if cryptocurrency developers aren't planning for its continued existence beyond the next 5 or 10 years. Aspiration is another way of looking at vision, and therefore the currency's founders obviously hope it takes off. And the currency will have a hard time becoming a genuine rival or disruptor if their sector without a defined vision and objective. Accordingly, you should only put your money into a cryptocurrency that has a clear mission and the potential to succeed in the long run. Swing trading for quick profits is appealing, but you must also consider the cryptocurrency's long-term trajectory, 5, 10, 20 years from now, etc. Market capitalization. The market capitalization of a cryptocurrency is a key metric for following the market price of this asset. It's a measurement of the cryptocurrency's market's overall strength and popularity. To a large extent, the market capitalization of a cryptocurrency is indicative of its prominence. Because of this, market capitalization is frequently considered the most crucial factor when comparing cryptocurrencies. If you want to know how to calculate market cap, you can easily do it by multiplying the coin's current price by the number of coins in circulation. So do not forget to look at the market cap for more insight into how the currency is ranked. Total coins to be mined and current supply. Another thing that you must look for before investing in any cryptocurrency is its supply. It's a simple concept. The more limited the currency, the higher the value it is going to achieve. For example, Bitcoin's overall supply is limited to mining 21 million coins. Today, the total number of BTC stands at around 19.13 million. So that means less than 2 million coins are left. The demand for Bitcoin is increasing daily, and the limited supply means that the price of its currency will keep going up. Project website and social media. Professionals recommend starting with a broad overview of the project. You may learn more about the project, the staff, and the community behind the crypto venture by visiting their website and other social media outlets. The website for the project needs to be user-friendly and practical, with clear information on the project, the team working on it, and its white paper and plan. Pricing history. Have you ever heard the saying that past action is often the best predictor of the future? Well, this isn't always the case, especially when it comes to something as volatile as the world of crypto. Price variations, however, tell you a lot about the coin's past and its potential as an investment. For example, you can look for high volatility or resistance in face of a market dip or whether the currency has peaked out. If the latter is the case, then it's best that you wait for the market to dip. Credibility and reputation. Finally, the last thing you have to look out for is the currency's reputation. The ability to earn people's trust and respect is crucial to success in this industry. Therefore, it's best to avoid putting money into currencies with a poor reputation. Check out what people are saying about the coin by doing some research online and in crypto groups. You also want to put your money into a coin that has a lot of support from the community. Stay away from con artists and pyramid schemes. If you want to learn more about what coins we believe have the potential and reputation for making you very wealthy in the future, then make sure to watch our video in the top right corner. I'll also leave a link in the description below. This is all the time we have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to share it with a friend who will enjoy it as much as you did. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to remain updated about all our future uploads. Please tell us what your process is for selecting crypto. We'd love to hear your experience. Please share it in the comments below. This will help our viewers make more informed decisions before investing. Thank you so much for sharing your precious time and watching the video this far. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.